Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to study SecureField in SwiftUI. So let's start by creating a new file and name it as SecureField Playground. So SecureField is actually same as TextField. The only difference is when you type into a text field, the text you are typing is visible. On the other hand, if you type into a secure field, anything you are typing is not visible. So secure field is mostly used for password and other sensitive information. So let's see how we can work with secure field. I'm going to have a vstack. Now let's just use some padding, and then for our secure field or for the text field we need state. So let's just create two state in here, maybe email, text, and then let's just create another state, password text, and then we can create our secure field. But let's just first create a text field for the email. So we can create a text field. Let's just say maybe user email or something like that, and then for the binding we are going to use email text, and that's it for our text field. And then we can create secure field and maybe name it as user password, or I think password is enough. And for the binding, let's just use password text. And yeah, so just like that we have our text fields. And let's just maybe give them a background, a rounded rectangle with corner radius of 20, and let's just fill it with maybe gray and have an opacity of maybe 0.2 or maybe 0.05. So just maybe 0.01. I think 5 is better. In the same way, we can copy these modifiers for our secure field, and yeah, we can give spacing to our vstack of maybe 40, so that we have a space between email and password field. And I think this gray is very gray, so let's just maybe have 0.1 in here and 0.1 in here, so that we can at least see the background. So yeah, you can have any other color you want for your background, that's fine. But yeah, so now if you can see we have this password secure field, and if I type maybe in here password, so you can see as I'm typing into this field, the text is not visible. So that's, so yeah, this is just a secure field. And if you have a login button or something, you can just get the text that the user has typed into this text field or into this secure field from this password text state. So that's it for the secure field. Is just something that is used for secure entry. And there are some other text field modifier that I wanted to explain. Like if you want, you can actually set the keyboard type for your text field. For example, if you have maybe only a numeric field, like if you want the user to enter a number, so you can use this keyboard type, and then if you press enter, if you press start, sorry, then you have all these different keyboard types. And as I was saying, if you only want user to enter numeric, so I think it's better to show them a numeric keypad. So we can use maybe a number pad for that. So it just set the keyboard type for your text field. And in the same way, we have another another view modifier that's called textContentType. and this is actually used for the system to show suggestions to the user when they are entering text. So let's just say if you have like we have this email, so we can enter dot and we have all these different uh, content type, and if we enter email, now as a user is going to type into their field, the system is going to show them the recently used emails, and this is not something stored in our apps. It's these suggestions will be coming from the system. So you cannot actually see it in here. Maybe if you run it on an emulator, you can see the keyboard type and the suggestions, but if you run on a physical device, it's much more better. And we have another uh, view modifier that's called textInputAutoCapitalization. What it does is, if when you want to auto capitalize each word user is typing into the text field, you can use this one. And remember that it's only available in iOS 15 or above versions. So if you are targeting iOS 14 or 13, this option is not available. So let's write this view modifier in here, dot text input auto capitalization, and then if you enter dot, you can see all the values. You can capitalize the words or even characters, sentences. So let's just stick to words. And now we have to change this keyboard type, because numeric keyboard, it doesn't have any uh, characters or strings. So let's just maybe change it to something else, maybe email address or something. And then if I type something into this email, maybe this is, yeah, some text. So you can see that I am not using the capital characters D, S. So it's automatically done by this view modifier. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to let you know that you can use the secure field for sensitive information like password or anything else. And we have these few view modifiers that we can use with the text field. And yeah, these tools are actually available from iOS 13, but this one is only available from iOS 15 and above. So that's it for this video. If you have anything, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.